Quack! Quack! Quack!
Look at this dude. No, 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 no.
So that is it for the video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I honestly really just needed to get up a video this week, and I was planning on making this video an actually good one, but I already had the footage. So I hope that you enjoyed. Don't worry, next week I will have a real video up for you guys that's actually helpful. But if you like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week.